Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer Solana from Coinbase to Phantom wallet. So go ahead and open up the Phantom wallet, okay? In order to basically transfer Solana from Coinbase, I need the address, right? In order to send it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see right here, right in front of me, I'm gonna see Solana. Go ahead and click, right? And basically you're gonna see right here, receive button, swap, cash buy, and more. Go ahead and click the first option, receive. And you're going to be able to take a screenshot of the QR code, or you can just copy the address. Okay, and after you copied it with the purple kind of like button, you're going to go ahead obviously to your Coinbase app, or if you use the website, you can just go ahead and then obviously select the coin, which is Solana, right? You're going to be able to start selling or basically withdrawing Solana to another wallet, and basically just like the Binance thing, add the address in the amount of Solana that you want to let go. So that's another comment of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.